Hello, everyone. Welcome back to the English podcast on Daily Conversation. I'm Dana Slate, and I'm ready to get moving.
And I'm Ryan. Today, we're talking about freedom, the freedom of the open road. But first, we have to deal with the paperwork at the rental counter.
That's right. Today is topic number 4, the car rental. We'll cover how to choose the right vehicle, navigating those tricky insurance offers, and why you should always take photos before you drive away.
I just want a convertible with a great sound system. Let's see what they have in stock. Hi, I have a reservation under the name Ryan. We booked a compact car for 5 days.
Wait, Caleb. We have 4 suitcases and we're driving through the mountains. A compact might be a bit underpowered. Is there an upgrade available to an SUV or a full-size sedan?
Oh, he says for an extra $15 a day, we can get a luxury crossover.
Check the fuel efficiency first. If it's a gas guzzler, that $15 upgrade will cost us a lot more at the pump.
Okay, now he's asking about the collision damage waiver, CDW. It's an extra $25 a day. Do we need that?
Most people's personal car insurance or credit cards already provide rental coverage. Does this car come with unlimited mileage, or is there a cap on how far we can drive?
It's unlimited. But he says if we don't take their insurance, we are responsible for the deductible if there's an accident.
We'll stick with our own coverage, but we will take the roadside assistance option. If we get a flat tire in the middle of nowhere, I want someone to come help us.
Come on, Dana Slate, let's go. The GPS says it's a 3-hour drive.
Hold on, we need to do a walk around. Look at this. There's a small dent on the rear bumper and a scratch on the passenger door.
It's tiny. Who cares?
The rental company cares. If it's not noted on the inspection report, they'll charge us for it when we return the car. Excuse me, can you mark down these existing damages on the form?
The fuel tank is full, and the upholstery is clean. We're good to go.
One last thing. Is the fuel policy full to full?
Yes, we have to bring it back with a full tank, or they'll charge us $5 a gallon to refill it themselves. That's a total ripoff.
Exactly. We'll find a gas station a few miles from the airport before we drop it off. And make sure we don't leave any trash inside, or they might hit us with a cleaning fee.
Adventure awaits. Put on some music, Dana. We're hitting the highway.
And we're off. I love a good road trip, especially when the car is clean and the insurance is sorted.
Me too. I'm currently practicing my driving songs for the next trip. Thanks for joining us today on the English podcast on Daily Conversation.
We'll be back with another episode very soon. Next time, we're dealing with a common headache. Topic number 5, the hotel. Checking in, requesting a late checkout, and handling room issues.
I hope they have a pool, but don't go anywhere. Until then, stay tuned, keep talking, and remember, your next great conversation is just one sentence away.
See you in the next podcast. Bye for now.
Catch you later.